All right, we are going to do a video with Chewy, the Labradoodle. And the first thing we're going to do with Chewy is we're going to teach him how to do the place command. So he has not done this at all. And I'm going to show you how we get started. You might be wondering, like, what's the point in this? Well, first off, it's just a good exercise to begin with when you're starting to work with your dog. It starts to build a little bit of focus. It starts to get them to look at you instead of this stuff right here. And also when you're doing this, whenever you're starting off trying to train your dog, put them on a leash. It just makes it so much easier. You're not having to call their name 500 times. You're not having to go grab their collar. You're not having to coax them to you and all that. So eliminate that part right off the bat. So the place command can be very, very handy. If you have a dog that won't jump up in the car, won't jump up in the trunk, you know, you want him to go lay on a bed, you can say place. You want him to get up on a table to examine him. Like I use it at the vets a lot. My dogs can jump up on the bench. I don't have to pick them up. Lots of different things, but mainly it's just a cool trick. You can point at something and they'll go sit on it. It can be anything. It could be that platform. It could be the top of the dog crate. It could be a couch. It could be a pillow. Does not matter. So first off, we'll just see what if he'll even get up here in the first place. Chewy. Place. Now I can sit here and force him up here and pull him up, but he's not going to like it, and he's going to get distracted. We can do this little game where we go around, ring around the rosy with it, or instead of trying to arm wrestle him up there, we can coax him. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you like that? Good boy. Come on. Yes. So we'll even reward him just for putting 2 feet up there. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good boy, Chewy. Come on. Yes. Boom. Good boy. Good boy. That's good. Okay. So I'm not saying the word place yet. I want him getting up there comfortably before I actually give it a name. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Just getting used to walking over it. Come on. Yes. Good. Good boy. Okay. Come on. Yes. Good. Now a lot of dogs it's going to take longer than this. You see he's still not focused on me. He's still going his own direction. He's still trying to pull away from me, not really engaging with me at all. Yes. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good. Good. All right, so now he's getting up there pretty comfortably. I'm not having to use any kind of tension on the leash at all, other than just keep him around me. And so now I will start giving it a name, which is place. What you? Place? Yes. Good. Okay. Chewy. Place? Yes. Now he still has no idea what place means. He's basically just following the food, but he's going to start relating the word place with getting up on that and getting a treat. Come here, over here. Good boy. Good boy. Place. Yes. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Chewy, place. Yes. Good boy. Okay. Chewy, place. Yes. Place. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. So I also give him that release command, which is okay. That means, all right, you can get off of it. Place. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. So now I'm starting to get some eye contact, which I'll reward that too. He's starting to give me some attention and acknowledging that I'm here. Okay, place. Yes. Good. Now right there was the first time that he started going that way and stopped himself and turned around and looked at me. Good. Okay. Instead of just walking off the other end of it. Place. Yes. Good. Okay. He's also, now he's starting to hear me say yes, which he knows now, or he's starting to know, when he hears that word, hush, when he hears that word yes, that something's coming. That's when he's going to get his treat. Come on. Place. Yes. See him look at me right when I said yes? Good. Good boy. Okay. Good boy, Chewy. Place. Yes. Good. Okay. Good boy. Place. Yes. Good. Good. Okay. Very good. Place. You're a smart boy. Sit. Yes. Okay. Good boy. Place. Yes. Ah. Place. Yes. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Place. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. He smells good. All right, good boy. So there's a good look at, right there, he just learned place from scratch. So we did not work on that at all before this video. You saw at the beginning, I was trying to even pull him up there a little bit and he was putting the brakes on. It's always better. Place. Yes. Okay. It's always better if you can make them do it on their terms. If they want to do it, in other words. Place. Yes. Sit. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Okay. So also, when you start doing this, yes. You start doing the same thing while they're on the leash too. So I'm walking with him, and every time he looks up at me, I'm going to reward him for that. So he starts giving me some engagement while we're walking. Good boy. Good boy. Chewy. Yes. Or just being in my little vicinity here where there's not tension on the leash. I'll reward him for that too. Good boy. See, now he's going up there on his own. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Place. Yes. Okay. Good. Come on. Good boy. Place. Yes. Very good, dude. That's very good. Very good. All right. There's a good look at Chewy. We're going to do Dobie and Lexi a little bit later after I get back. And stay tuned. Toodles.